am back. I had to readjust the camera, so if you just saw my previous video, yes, I am in the same outfit because I decided to record these two videos back to back. And I am so excited about sharing this video to you. As you can tell by the title, this will be a collection video. So I am very excited. If you guys been following me for a while, and I know I have a lot of new subscribers, so welcome everybody. But I believe it was after our anniversary trip last year, our wedding anniversary trip, we took to Vegas. I talked a little bit about what we were thinking about doing for this year, because it'll be our 7-year wedding anniversary in August. And so we were going back and forth between a couple places, so I wanted to wait till we solidified where we were going. And so where we are headed is, as you can tell by the title, the Dominican Republic in August. So I am very excited about that. And so what I will be doing is an anniversary collection for that trip. And so it's so funny about collections, because the whole idea of a collection didn't even dawn on me until, I don't know if anybody watches Colleen, I think it's Colleen GTV here on YouTube. She was the first person I ever heard talk about a collection. And I'm thinking, a collection for sewing? What is that? And so that whole concept. And then I started seeing different people do these collections. So you got Emily Hallman doing collections. You got who else I know just do like a collection. It's escaping me other people, but those Colleen G and Emily Hallman are the main two people that I know is infamous for doing like collections, in personal collections, not counting people who might have their own business where they're making collections for business purposes. But so anyway, I am coming in to share with you my plans for my anniversary collection, Dominican Republic anniversary collection. I will be sewing up. So these garments do not need to be ready until August. It is April. And so I have time. I have gone through all my patterns. There are no new patterns I'm planning on using, except for a couple of the accessory patterns. But everything else, I decided to stick to what was in my stash, because as you all know, my no pattern ban is not up until the end of June, which means July I couldn't buy anything. And I didn't want to be worried for the garment side of things, trying to hurry up and buy something and work out any kinks to the pattern before I needed to actually get the garments going. So I come in today to share with you the plans. And so over the next several months, I will share hauls specifically for these patterns, the fabric I will be using. And so yes, so let's jump right into it. So the days, will be gone for 8 days, 7 nights. So my estimation by that, now this sounds like a lot, call me crazy, but I'm thinking I'm thinking of day and night outfits. And so if I was thinking 2 outfits a day, that's like, which I won't wear 2 outfits a day. It comes out to like 16 or something different pieces. So I'm not doing that many per se, but I just need to plan out, okay, how many days we're going to be there? What do I think I want to wear? Different things of that nature. So let's jump into my base. So what I'm doing is tropical floral items, flowy, very comfortable, laid back, but fun. And to go along with as you all know, my mood board, which is the whole classic chic, a little dramatic. So for vacation, we just going very flowy, very relaxed, fun, all of that. So the base of what I will be doing, and I just shared this in my April plans video, is I want to do these culottes. So what I want to do is, my idea in my head is to do a couple pairs of the shorts. So that's why I'm doing shorts for April. Work out any kinks with the pattern. I do want to do some shorter culottes or longer ones like this, maybe 1 or 2 pair. And then for the top, I do want to do the, and I just shared this, the designer stitch Ella Cami. I want to do for the top. I also want to do, and I'll put up pictures for this, the Dune tank. The you all know now her company isn't open any longer, so this pattern is no longer available. But the Dune tank I have already done, and I do want to do it again. I had the only pattern I made by is the Ogden Cami. That's a maybe. We shall see. But so I do have a Pinterest pic. Let me pop up the Pinterest picture here. So that is the Pinterest picture. And so the pattern that I will be using to get that look, because I want to wear that on our actual anniversary day in the Dominican Republic, that the pattern I am using is Vogue 9104 to get that look. And so I'm very excited about that. And again, for none of these I have fabric, so I will be sourcing fabric, and I have some ideas. I've been looking at websites, some ideas of different fabric I might want. So I am definitely doing 9104, and that is my anniversary day dress. And so then also I am going to do this one, the infamous Vogue 9253, and so I will be doing the shorter version, and of course I will be raising this neckline, so we won't be all out there like that. So yes, this is going to be absolutely beautiful. I will also do, this is a simple knit. This is Simplicity 8046. I will do this one as well. I'm going to look for a cotton jersey, something nice and breezy. Again, another simple sew. I don't want to overwhelm myself with any complicated pattern designs or anything like that, but something nice and simple. I also want to do this Vogue 1395. This is a Rebecca Taylor. Also another simple, I think that is so nice and flowy. Very happy about doing that one. And then I needed some, oh, and then this one. This is Vogue one. I have a lot of Vogue. Oh, that's strange. I'm just now noticing that Vogue 1442. And so I'm going to do this dress. Again, nice and flowy. And then I want to do, and I'll pop up a picture here because I didn't pull the pattern, but I want to do Simplicity 1111. I have done that last year already, and I just want some, you know, when you just kind of lounging around, walking around, maybe on the beach or something like that. I just want that little tank. I don't remember what view it is. I'll just put it up here and I'll put the view number. And then the leggings, and I'll crop them. I'll crop the leggings a little bit, and because I think they come, no, I won't have to crop them. They come mid calf length, and so that's fine. Just something real loose, casual to lay around. And then my airplane outfit, because I always plan what I'm going to wear on the airplane to and from places. And so you all know I absolutely love the Charlie caftan. When I travel anywhere, I always wear my one. I made that one out of a denim, or was it a chambray? I don't remember. But anyway, I'll pop up a picture of that here. But I want to do the longer one, so I'll pop a picture here of the pattern, the longer flowy one, going and coming home. And so and I've worked out those pattern adjustments, but I'm gonna retrace that because now I know how to do a full bust adjustment. Although the previous one I did a pivot and slide, this time I want to do a full bust adjustment on that. So that is my garment plans. And then for accessories, oh, let me not forget, sidebar, the husband wants three of the McCall 6044 linen tops. So yeah, and those were very easy to do. Again, the suggestions that I've received, I will incorporate those. So he wants 3 of those, and that's it. That's all he wants me to make for him so far as garments. And so then there's accessories. So I shared in my 2018 my bag plans video, make 9 plans video, the aeroplane bag, and I will make a matching necessary clutch wallet, and I'll pop up pictures as I'm talking. If you saw my makes video from last week or 2 weeks ago from the month of March. I will do that NL6095, that tote. I will do that again. And I'm going to make a new Erin pouch to go with that. And then So Sweetness have, she calls them, as part of her Dominicans collection, the I Spy pouch. And I've seen a couple people make them where they put their charger cords and everything in it, and we tend to have our charger cords just kind of a little hodgepodge. So I was like, oh, it'd be nice to have something to actually put those in, the chargers and charger cords and everything. So I will make that. Those are just two little square things, so not anything complicated. My husband wants a backpack, so Sweetness has a backpack pattern. And I looked at that and I was like, oh, that don't look so bad. So when I said there'll probably be a bag making month coming up, you see why. And then I want to try to make some packing cubes. If you follow Melly, I think it's Millie Souls, she did a video on packing cubes and it looks so easy. So yeah. And there's a travel bag on Craftsy that I was thinking, it was the fold travel bag. I was like, okay, I'm thinking, I don't know. And then the Annex So Sweetness Annex double zip pouch. So we shall see. We shall see with all of the accessories. But I know for sure the aeroplane, a necessary clutch wallet, the tote, and the Erin pouch, and the I Spy pouches for sure. So yeah. So over the next several months, you will see me sharing any fabric that I get to go with these items, and yeah, in my progress. And so I will share like different things I get for the items, but then I'll take pictures or whatever clips during vacation, and after that do a whole little lookbook of that collection. So I am so excited about it. And yes, I am a planner, so that's why I'm doing this video now, because I have already started looking at things, getting little things here and there to make these things happen. So I wanted to share that with you, and I'm so excited. It'll be my first like true collection, and so I will do a separate playlist for collections. And so the first one will be the Dominican Republic anniversary collection. So yay, very excited about that. I think that's all I got. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave your questions down below. Thumbs up this video if you like the idea of the whole anniversary collection. And yeah, I look forward to sharing with you progress along the way, different things that I pick up. And then it'll be a while before you see the lookbook, obviously. But yeah, along the way, I will share with you my progress and different fabrics I have found for these items. So all right, everybody, thank you again for tuning in today. And I shared in my last video, because I'm wearing the same outfit. I'm wearing M6886 and my Lisbon Itch to Stitch Lisbon cardigan. And I'll leave the link to the Itch to Stitch cardigan down below. But yeah, that is all that I have, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. You all have a blessed week, and we will see you in the next video.